Hey guys, it was Hunter here. So we're gonna shoot this mini mega. It's a mini mega Nerf gun. It's just a pistol. It's pretty powerful.
We gotta get this done quick. So this might be a little bit sped up.
So we're gonna shoot it at those pop bottles over there. See?
Kinda hit him.
He's aiming for this one, the brown one.
Not really.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more.
All right. We'll each shoot it twice or 4 times.
Ah, dang it!
You didn't knock it over. All right,
Okay, your turn.
my turn.
He's aiming for the same one I did. Hey, you knocked it.
I'm a pretty good shot. I'm gonna aim for the other bottle.
Nah, you missed it.
All right, 2 more shots. This gun's so powerful, it shoots so high. You have to aim like really low. Okay, so that's pretty much it.
For this gun. We still got another gun to go.
So.